I'm John O'Sirhoy. Right now, there is a quiet struggle happening across Los Angeles and Orange County. You've got these incredible local businesses run by incredibly hardworking entrepreneurs, and they're just hitting a wall. They offer absolutely phenomenal service, but in a hyper-competitive local market, they're fading right into the background. Today, in this explainer, we're going to pull back the curtain and look at the hidden mechanics of local search visibility. It's almost like you're playing hide and seek with your potential customers, right? Think about it. You've got the skills, your storefront is primed and ready, but when people actually search for what you do, you're nowhere to be found. It's literally like trying to find a needle in a digital haystack. Honestly, it feels like you're wearing an invisibility cloak on Google Maps. Meanwhile, the competitor right down the street is getting all the calls, the clicks, and the booked jobs. So why does this happen? Well, it's actually not a technical glitch at all. The reality is, search algorithms absolutely crave human signals. If you aren't actively generating and managing those signals, the algorithm just passes you by. This brings us to a concept I call your digital handshake, which is really all about building trust. We really need a complete paradigm shift here. For years, people thought of reputation management as just doing damage control for a bad review. I view it entirely differently. Your online reputation, that is your digital handshake. It's a proactive strategy. It's the very first impression a customer has of you, way before they ever step through your doors or pick up the phone. The old way of doing things was totally passive, ignoring feedback, crossing your fingers, just hoping your work speaks for itself. But the modern local ecosystem demands the new way. You have to participate in the conversation. You've got to actively shape your online presence rather than just sitting back and letting it happen to you. So how do we actually fix your online presence? Well, there's a simple 3-step fix. This is my personal blueprint for restoring your visibility. It's calm, it's simple, and it's highly actionable. Step 1 is to gather feedback. Step 2, you engage. And step 3, you monitor and adapt. Look, it's not magic. It's just a consistent system designed to help you generate consistent 5-star reviews and steadily climb up those Google Maps rankings. Now, the tactical execution is really where businesses win. Gathering feedback just means sending a seamless, friendly nudge right after you've provided great service. Engaging means showing prompt gratitude for those glowing testimonials. But you know what the real point of leverage is? It's your response to critics. Responding with empathy isn't just about calming down an upset customer. It actually showcases your excellent customer service to hundreds of future readers. You literally turn a critic into an advocate. And keeping an eye on multiple platforms, that just ensures you're adapting based on real, tangible market feedback. Let's look at some real-world results and see how you can shine online. This all grounds out in reality. When we implemented this exact system for sorted bookkeeping, the shift was immediate. They actually shared that using BoostWOM to boost their Google reviews was the best decision they ever made. By finally taking control of their customer signals, local businesses just like this one across LA and Orange County are getting the calls, the clicks, and the booked jobs they actually deserve. Ultimately, it all comes down to tending your digital garden and watching it bloom. Try to think of your visibility not as a one-time setup, but as a living, breathing ecosystem. You plant the seeds by providing incredible service to your community. You water them by actively asking for reviews. And when those inevitable weeds pop up, the complaints or negative feedback, you don't ignore them. You pull them out by thoughtfully addressing the issue. If you maintain this rhythm, your digital presence is absolutely going to bloom. So I'll leave you with this. Are you ready to transform your digital handshake? It's time to finally take off that invisibility cloak. If you found this explainer valuable, go ahead and subscribe for more insights on scaling your local business. And hey, if you want to see exactly where you currently stand, head over to my website. I've got a free Google ranking report there that will show you your local visibility compared to your competitors, and it'll identify some immediate opportunities for growth. Take control of your search presence today.